Here are 10 tips how to be happy. Number 1. Cultivate gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things in your life that you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your relationships, or your job. Practicing gratitude can help you focus on the positive and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Whether it's a brisk walk outside or a yoga class, regular exercise can help improve your mood and overall sense of well-being. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and focusing on your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help you feel more calm and centered. Number 4. Connect with others. Spending time with friends and loved ones can help increase feelings of happiness and reduce feelings of loneliness. Make an effort to connect with others regularly, whether it's through phone calls, video chats, or in-person activities. Number 5. Pursue your passions. Engaging in activities that you enjoy and feel passionate about can help increase your overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Whether it's painting, playing music, or gardening, make time for the things that bring you joy. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, including mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help you feel rested and refreshed. Number 7. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally, is essential for happiness. This could mean anything from taking a relaxing bath to seeking therapy to address any underlying mental health concerns. Number 8. Give back to others. Helping others can be a powerful way to boost your own happiness. Consider volunteering at a local charity or performing random acts of kindness for those around you. Number 9. Laugh more. Laughter is a natural mood lifter, so make time for activities that bring a smile to your face. Whether it's watching a funny movie or spending time with friends who make you laugh, incorporating more laughter into your life can help increase feelings of happiness. Number 10. Focus on what you can control. There will always be things in life that are outside of our control, but focusing on what you can control can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Make a list of the things in your life that you have control over and focus your energy on those areas.